Is your Toyota Hilux alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are the bonnet switch and interior sensor. First, inspect the bonnet switch under the hood for dirt, corrosion, or misalignment. A faulty switch sends false signals. Next, consider the interior sensor. Are there any pets, loose items, or strong vibrations inside the cabin? The interior sensors are also prone to wiring damage. Determine which is the cause and move on to fixes. For a faulty bonnet switch, start by cleaning it with electrical contact cleaner. If cleaning doesn't work, replacement switches are inexpensive and easy to install. For the interior sensor, remove any potential triggers inside your car. To reset the alarm, disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also try turning the alarm off and on with your key fob. If problems persist, dealerships can run diagnostics and perform software updates like TSB 0090-19. Scanning for ECU error codes like B1600 using an OBD2 scanner such as OBD Link can help pinpoint the problem. Remember to check the vehicle's 12-volt battery, as low voltage can also trigger false alarms.